Hello students, in this video we are going to learn one of the important short answer question from the chapter Quadratic Expressions. Let us see question. Determine the range of the expression 2x square minus 6x plus 5 whole divided by x square minus 3x plus 2 over r. So this is the range problem. As I told earlier, range problems are very important in quadratic expressions chapter. So do practice. So let us see solution. Now every range problem we will start with an assumption. We have to give name it as something y. So let 2x square minus 6x plus 5 by x square minus 3x plus 2 must be named as something y. Means indirectly we have to find the range of y. So next step we can go for cross multiplication. Okay. So 2x square, y, each and every term we have to multiply with y into x square, yx square minus 3x into y, 3xy plus 2 into y, 2y equals to, this we get as it is, 2x square minus 6x plus 5. Now transpose each and every term of RHS to LHS. So write LHS terms as it is, x square into y minus 3xy plus 2y as it is. Now plus 2x square become minus 2x square, minus 6x become plus 6x, plus 5 become minus 5, that equals to 0. Now convert this into the standard form of quadratic equation. What is standard form of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So first x square term, next x term, next constant. So if you see for x square terms, we have two x square terms. Huh? Take x square common. On taking x square common, we left with y here. Y here minus 2. Y minus 2 into x square plus. Next, take x common. On taking x common, we left with here minus 3y and here plus 6 into x. Next constant plus 2y minus 5 equals to 0. So let it be equation number 1. So we got into the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So this is A and this is B and this is C. So let us write here what are ABC values. Here A equals to y minus 2, B equals to minus 3y plus 6, minus 3y plus 6, C equals to 2y minus 5. Okay. Now if you think about the nature of the roots of this quadratic equation, so here x is given as real. Since x is real, roots of equation 1 must be real because we are going to get two values for x. Na? So those two values must be real roots. So we have to write the reason here. Since x is real, roots of equation 1 must be real. Let us remind the real roots condition. What is the real roots condition? Delta greater than or equals to 0. Discriminant must be always greater than or equals to 0. What is discriminant? b square minus 4ac. Delta is nothing but b square minus 4ac must be greater than or equals to 0. So substitute ABC values. So here b is minus 3y plus 6. Okay, substitute b value minus 3y plus 6 whole square minus 4a into a is y minus 2 into c is 2y minus 5 greater than or equals to 0. It look like a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square. A is 6, b is 3y. A minus b whole square. A square 6 square 36 plus b square 3y whole square 3 square 9y square minus 2ab minus 2 into a is 6, b is 3y. A minus b whole square formula applied. Write minus 4 as it is, and we can multiply y into 2y square plus into minus minus 5y minus into plus minus 2 2s are 4y minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10 greater than or equals to 0. Now we can write 36 plus 9y square as it is minus 2 6 are 12, 12 3s are 36y. Now minus 4 into here 2y square as it is, and these are like terms, minus 5y minus 4y minus 9y plus 10 greater than or equals to 0. So write 36 plus 9y square minus 36y as it is, minus into plus minus. Each and every term of this bracket must be multiplied with minus 4. Minus 4 into 2 minus 8y square minus into minus plus 4 9s are 36y minus into plus minus 4 10s are 40 greater than or equals to 0. Now 9y square 8y square, these are the like terms now. So 9y square minus 8y square become y square, 9 minus 8 1, so y square. Yeah, plus 36y minus 36y gets cancelled na? Plus 36y minus 36y gets cancelled. What more we left with? 36 minus 40. 36 minus 40 minus 4 greater than or equals to 0, which can be easily split into factors by using a square minus b square formula. How? Y square as it is minus 4 can be written as 2 square greater than or equals to 0, which is in the form of a square minus b square formula. So if you remind a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b, y plus 2 into y minus 2 greater than or equals to 0. Now in this situation we need to remind the inequality formula x minus alpha into x minus beta, x minus alpha into x minus beta greater than or equals to 0 formula we have to remind. So what is the formula? X minus alpha into x minus beta greater than or equals 0 means x value doesn't lies in between alpha and beta. Then where it lies? X value will be always less than or equals to alpha, or x value will be greater than or equals to beta. So be clear with alpha beta values, then we can write formula. So if you compare these two expressions, you see y minus 2 into y plus 2. So in both the places we should have negative sign, na? So here we do not have negative sign. First create negative sign. How to create? Plus 2 can also be written as minus of minus 2, you know. So we have created negative sign, na? Into y. Here already we have negative sign, need not to worry about this one. Greater than or equals to 0. Yeah. In both the places we have negative sign, na? After negative sign, here we have minus 2 and here we have plus 2. Of these two values, smaller value is alpha, greater value is beta. So alpha is minus 2, beta is plus 2. So substitute in this formula. What is x? In place of x we have y, na? So I can write y less than or equals to, y less than or equals to alpha. Alpha is what? Minus 2, or y greater than or equals to beta. Beta value 2. So y value will be always less than or equals to minus 2 or greater than or equals to plus 2. Suppose if you draw a number line, you see this is 0, on left side we will have minus 2, right side we will have plus 2. Okay, if you see y value always less than or equals to minus 2 or greater than or equals to plus 2. it won't lie between minus 2 and plus 2. Then how to write the range of y? Y is nothing but your given expression, right? So now I can write range of given expression is range of given expression is y belongs to less than or equals to minus 2. Less than means how much less we don't know. So that can be assumed as minus infinite. So minus infinite to minus 2 or R means union symbol. Greater than or equals to 2. 2 or more than 2 up to infinite. So at minus infinite use open bracket, and at minus 2 and plus 2 use the closed bracket. So this would be your answer.